Imagine seeing colors that don't exist, hearing sounds that haven't happened yet, feeling the heartbeat of hidden prey from meters away. While humans stumble through the world with 5 basic senses, animals navigate invisible dimensions, magnetic fields, electrical signals, heat signatures, and vibrations that surround us but remain completely undetectable. Today, we uncover 7 animals with super senses so advanced they make human perception look primitive. The world you experience isn't the real world. It's just the tiny slice your limited senses can detect. Beyond human vision lies ultraviolet and infrared spectrums. Beyond human hearing lies infrasound and ultrasound. Beyond human touch lies electrical fields and magnetic forces. These animals don't just sense more of the same world. They inhabit entirely different realities. From the ocean depths to the night sky, prepare to experience existence through senses you never knew were possible. Animal number 1, the mantis shrimp, the ultimate vision. At number 7, a creature that doesn't just see the world, it perceives dimensions of light we can't even imagine. The mantis shrimp. Humans have 3 color receptors: red, green, and blue. The mantis shrimp has 16. While we see a rainbow, it sees colors we have no names for: ultraviolet, infrared, and polarized light simultaneously. Each eye moves independently, with trinocular depth perception from 3 separate regions. But here's what makes this super sense terrifying for prey. Mantis shrimp can detect the polarization patterns reflected off transparent prey, essentially seeing invisible animals. Scientists recently discovered they can even detect cancer cells in coral before any instrument can, simply by seeing the polarization changes. This shrimp doesn't just see more. It sees entire spectrums of reality hidden from every other creature. Animal number 2, the shark, the electrical detective. Number 6 reveals a sense so alien, humans can only replicate it with advanced technology: electroreception. Sharks possess networks of jelly-filled pores called ampullae of Lorenzini, concentrated around their heads. These detect electrical fields as faint as 1/1000th of a volt. To understand that sensitivity, imagine sensing a flashlight battery from 1,500 miles away. When a fish buries itself in sand, its heart still beats. Each heartbeat generates a tiny electrical field. The shark doesn't need to see, hear, or smell. It simply follows the electricity of life itself. But the true hunting application? Sharks use Earth's magnetic field as a built-in GPS, navigating migration routes spanning entire oceans. They don't just find prey. They sense the planet's invisible electromagnetic grid. Animal number 3, the cat, the night predator. Number 5 shares your home but experiences it completely differently. The domestic cat. While you stumble in darkness, your cat sees a world you can't perceive. Cats need only 1/6 the light humans require, thanks to a reflective layer behind their retina called the tapetum lucidum, the reason their eyes glow at night. But vision is just the beginning. Their whiskers detect minute air current changes, essentially feeling prey movement before contact. Their ears rotate independently, pinpointing ultrasonic frequencies of rodent communication, sounds you'll never hear. And their inner ear contains a gyroscopic system so precise they can orient themselves during a fall within milliseconds. Your cat isn't just sitting in darkness, it's actively mapping an invisible world of air currents, high-frequency sounds, and movements you'll never detect. Animal number 4, the snake, the infrared hunter. Number 4 transforms heat into vision, pit vipers, and other infrared sensing snakes. Between their eyes and nostrils lie pit organs containing membranes stretched thin as cellophane. This membrane detects temperature differences of just 0.003 degrees Celsius. When a warm-blooded mouse moves through cool night air, it leaves a thermal trail, a heat signature invisible to any creature except the snake. But here's the astonishing part. The snake's brain superimposes this thermal image onto its visual image, creating a composite picture showing both the world and the heat within it. In complete darkness, the snake sees you as clearly as if you were illuminated, because to them, You literally glow with the heat of your own life. Animal number 5, the dolphin, the sonar master. Entering our top 3, the dolphin, which doesn't just navigate using sound, it sees with it. Dolphins generate focused clicks up to 220 decibels, then process returning echoes through complex fat-filled channels in their jaws. Their echolocation is so precise, they can detect a ping pong ball 300 feet away in murky water. But here's the true super sense. They can see inside objects. Dolphin sonar penetrates flesh and bone, allowing them to detect pregnancy, injuries, and even the stomach contents of other fish. They create three-dimensional sound images of their entire environment, updated multiple times per second. While humans need ultrasound machines and sophisticated software to see inside bodies, dolphins do it naturally every time they hunt. Animal number 6, the pigeon, the magnetic navigator. Number 2 proves that super senses exist right above our cities. The pigeon, nature's most sophisticated navigator. Pigeons detect Earth's magnetic field through iron particles in their beaks and inner ears, essentially a biological compass. But that's just one layer. They also perceive infrasound, frequencies below human hearing that travel thousands of miles through the atmosphere. This allows them to detect distant storms, mountain ranges, and ocean waves from hundreds of miles away. They read polarized light patterns in the sky as backup navigation. A pigeon doesn't just fly home, it triangulates using magnetic fields, acoustic landmarks, and celestial patterns simultaneously, processing data from senses humans can't even experience. Animal number 7, the elephant, the long-distance communicator. Our number 1 super sense belongs to the largest land animal, the elephant. Elephants communicate using infrasound, frequencies so low humans can't hear them. These rumbles travel through both air and ground, detected by sensitive nerve endings in their feet and trunks. An elephant can sense another elephant's call from 6 miles away. But here's the true superpower. They detect seismic vibrations through their feet, essentially hearing through the ground. They can sense approaching thunderstorms from hundreds of miles away, detect human footsteps from distant villages, and feel the movement of other elephant herds through the earth itself. Their entire social network operates through ground vibrations, an invisible communication network spanning entire ecosystems. When an elephant lifts its foot and presses it down, it's not just standing, it's listening to the planet. These 7 animals reveal a profound truth. Reality isn't universal. The world you experience is just one version, filtered through your limited senses. While you read this, sharks detect electrical fields, pigeons read magnetic lines, elephants feel vibrations through continents, and mantis shrimp see colors that don't have names. They don't just live in the same world with better equipment. They inhabit entirely different dimensions of existence. Which of these super senses would you want to experience for yourself? If you could perceive one invisible dimension of reality, what would it be? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're fascinated by the hidden world around us, subscribe and hit the notification bell. We reveal nature's secrets every week. Until next time, remember, the world is far richer than your senses tell you.